All right, guys, new Etsy update you need to know about. Plus, I'm going to give you some pro tips on marketing to help you get more sales. So, if you haven't seen this in your dashboard, Etsy has released an update to the offers that you can set up in your marketing tab. And these offers are good. So, these will help you get more conversions, more sales if you have them set up. So, there's a couple different ones. You have the abandoned cart offer, which basically if someone adds an item to their cart and they don't purchase, Etsy will then send an abandoned cart offer. I think it's within 24 hours. It's an email to them basically saying like, hey, this is in your cart. Come back and buy it. We'll give you a percentage off. So you can set these up for whatever discounts you want to set up. I would do, 10 to 20 is usually good. Obviously, the higher, the more conversions you're going to get on it. And then there's the favorite cart offer, which basically if someone adds an item to their favorites, then they'll get the offer again emailed to them. The thank you offer is after they buy. They'll get sent this offer via email to come back and buy again. So you can set these all up in your marketing tab. Now the biggest change comes to they added a time limit to these. So these will expire if not used within a certain number of times. So this one is 60 days for abandoned cart. So it expires after 60 days to hopefully create urgency for people to come in and actually use this offer. Because before, these don't expire. So, you could have someone come back after years and use them, and you may not want to do that either. So that's for the 60 days is for abandoned cart and favorites. It's both 60 days and then it expires. The thank you offer expires after a year. So I'm not really sure why they have this one set at a year and these ones at 60 days. Hopefully in the future, they will allow us to set the time frame because I think we should be able to determine that, not Etsy. Because maybe we don't want to, have it 60 days. Maybe we want to do it a week or something like that. Because we want to be able to update these, and you can update these and change these if you want, which and deactivate the old ones and reactivate the new ones. So that's something that you can definitely do if you go into it. You can stop sending offers and then reactivate it for a different discount. Or you just want to change the code, whatever the case may be. So this kind of, I guess, prevents you from having to go in and manually do that each time if you want to change the code or change the discount. But definitely make sure you're setting up these offers to get more conversions, and know that the abandoned cart one will work the best, right? This one, because people are the closest to the buying decision with the abandoned cart offers. Favorites, a lot of people will do a lot of stuff that they favorite with no intention to buy. Maybe they like it, maybe they want to show it to a friend, whatever. But these abandoned carts are very close. They actually went through the process of adding it to their cart, and for whatever reason they got distracted or didn't buy. So just know that this will always be higher than the favorites, and then whatever discount you put will determine how many gets used as well. So the higher discount, the more you'll have, the more will be used. So just know that. The other thing that I found out too that people are talking about is that if someone favorites multiple items, it will only send an email out for the first item that they favorited. They won't send an email out for each item that they favorited, which kind of sucks. So I'm sure Etsy has to put some type of limits on it, because some people will go in, they'll favorite like 10 items in a shop. So that probably uses up a lot of server space, it uses up a lot of resources, so they're probably trying to limit that. And the other thing to consider is this stuff used to be, Etsy used to charge like 10 cents per email back in the day to set this stuff up, and then they made it free. So it's basically free email marketing, which, hey, it's a good perk. We should have perks like this to sell on the platform. So just something to keep in mind. So that's what's changed. Make sure you're setting this stuff up and using these tools, because it will help you get more sales at the end of the day. You can also go in here and run sales from this dashboard. You can create, you can put listings together to do bundle offers. So that's something that you can set up. I think you can do up to 3 items for a bundle. Yeah, you can do 3 listings together, and then you offer a discount. And then you can share out that code for that. You can set up order minimum, so you can do like bulk orders here. So buyers will get a discount if they order, more than 2 items or 3 items. So you can kind of set that up. So those are all tools that you should be using to take advantage of to help you get more conversions at the end of the day. And if you need more help with your Etsy shop, hop over and check out the Etsy Games VIP program. So this is my program that I developed to basically give sellers everything they need to know to be able to grow their business as fast as possible. And right now there's a free trial. After that's just $10 a month. My goal is to make this as inexpensive and affordable as possible, but blow you away with value. Similar programs are thousands of dollars, which I think is crazy because you're trying to grow your business. So I want to be able to give you the support, the live coaching, help you with your SEO, help you with trends. There's courses in here. You can put questions in the forum. Again, we have live group coaching calls. All the things that you need to get the support and motivation to grow for a very minimal cost. It's a fun group. We have a lot of fun. We are very helpful. It's motivational. Again, it's not some spammy, weird Facebook group where you don't know who's going to try and scam you. So I monitor this group very heavily, and I'm always adding new stuff in here for you guys to help you. The sole purpose is to help make it a positive way to be able to grow your business and hang out with like-minded people trying to do the same thing. So there's a link below. If you want to try that out, I recommend it. It's a lot of fun. You won't regret it. But other than that, I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys. Have an amazing rest of your day.